go check out some cars. Come on. Come on, go back, baby. And this is one of the cars that my Auntie Chanel got. She got all the stickers on. She got the same rims. Auntie Chanel. I give a shout out to my Auntie Chanel for the same car like this. That's not a Jaguar. That's a McLaren. Don't hit it. This is a McLaren. One of the gray ones. And this was one of the this is one of my favorites. This is the T20. This is a Lamborghini. Oh my God! The Lamborghini.
One of two folks. Alright, let me get one from the front. Stay right there. Oh, come on here. What'd you have before?
My rap name is gonna be Emily Chopper.
What?
My rap name is Emily Chopper.
You have some cool cars like this?
Yeah. I'm gonna have one of these BMWs though. I'm gonna be like 20. When I'm 18, I'm not gonna be with my mama no more.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna be by myself.
You gonna do what?
I'm gonna be by myself.
Okay.
So the age I turned 18, me and my uncle are at the car show.
What are we doing?
We checking out cars.
Checking out cars. See some cool cars.
I'm at this. He's one of my favorites.
You like that? What kind of car is that?
It's a T-car.
Look at this.
This is one of my not favorite. It's a Porsche.
It's a what?
Porsche.
Why is it not your favorite?
It's come on, babe. Got BMW MS. BMW MS.
Oh, he gonna tell me something. He gonna learn me something. Yeah, Jay.
See a BMW MS. One of the fastest cars.
Oh, fast. How fast?
It's like M-Power. Yeah, it's M-Power.
Like an Impala?
Corvette. So long. You know that I'm gone. Here's another court. Here goes the Bentley.
How you know? We gotta get a picture about this. What is that?
It's a Bentley.
Point to what the B stands for.
Bentley.
You heard it first. J-Man said the B stands for Bentley.
Bentley.
I can't see the B. I gotta get the B in the J-Man said he gonna eat that whole hamburger. You gonna eat that whole hamburger? You a big boy, right? I don't think you gonna eat it all. That's a lot of hamburger. I don't think you gonna eat it all. You gonna eat it all? Y'all see that hamburger? J-Man said he gonna eat it all. I don't think he a big boy. I know he better not waste my money. You gonna eat it all? Huh? You sure? Alright. You ain't gonna waste my money. Alright, you say he ain't gonna waste my money. He gonna eat it all. Alright, I'll let y'all know how it goes.